Good morning, everyone. We are continuing here in the profound words of the Meishiv Nefesh, teaching us how to work together with our Yetzer Hara. And he writes the following from the Shem Mishmuel. Shnei drachim elu, there's these two ways that a person has to fight against his Yetzer Hara, his taivas, his desires. Hein bechol adam haprati, every person has the same two ways in which they could approach battling the Yetzer Hara. Yesh ayidei sur meira. There's such a concept of sur meira, turn away from the bad, turn away from the Yetzer Hara. V'tanesim, you should fast. V'utfilos, you should have special prayers that you say, or bakashas, supplications of HaKadosh Baruch Hu. You do things that will remove yourself from the world of physicality, the world of taiva, of desire, the world of the Yetzer Hara. You decrease your connection to worldly matters, and you spend your days fasting and davening and supplicating before HaKadosh Baruch Hu, asking for forgiveness, doing tshuva, all the different things that a person can do. And that way you'll remove the taiva, you'll remove the desire from in you with that perspective. However, v'yesh asher noisho bilti kol elin. There are those that can accomplish the same and probably be greater, as we're going to see, without fasting and prayers and all of these things. Ela ba'asei toiv, rather, you can do good. Like the pasuk says, sur meira, turn away from evil, ve'asei toiv, and do good. Says the Shem Mishmuel, if you want to conquer the Yetzer Hara, you don't even have to focus in on the sur meira, and the turning away from evil, which would mean putting yourself in a situation where there's no longer going to be a connection for you to the physical world. Rather, just get yourself involved in asay toiv, in doing the good. The hainu, what does that mean? You accept upon yourself to sit by the doorways and to be engaged in the study of Torah. And you are willing to subjugate all of your chushim, your senses and your feelings, the kol sichla, everything that's in your mind. I say, you know what? It belongs to Torah. Whatever I've been thinking, whichever pathway I've been going down, I recognize this is not purity. This is not emes. This is not truth. This is not what HaKadosh Baruch Hu wants. So I'm coming now not to drive myself nuts and sit and cry and feel miserable for myself. No, on the other hand, I'm going to channel all of my forces, all my energies into Toiv, doing good. I want to think like the Torah. I want to learn the Torah. I want to understand what it says. I want to do HaKadosh Baruch Hu's will. Ad she'or HaTorah ba'atzmai, until the light of the Torah itself, b'ikeya v'nichnas l'teich libay, it rips in, it breaks in and enters into one's heart. Lahafchay l'toif, to turn his heart into goodness, bli ta'anesim ubli tza'aka, without having to fast, without having to limit your connection to the physical world, bli tza'aka, without calling and crying to HaKadosh Baruch Hu how miserable things are that you made such a mistake. You don't need that, says the Shem Mishmuel. If a person will learn to focus in their energies into the positive, they will end up utilizing their energy. You just have to rechannel the Yetzer Hara. He's a force. He's a power. He's an energy. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take him and I'm going to schlep him into the Beis Midrash with me. I'm going to bring him to the shir that I go to. I'm going to sit him down to learn. I'm going to make sure that he comes when I put on my tefillin in the morning and I daven to HaKadosh Baruch Hu. I'm going to do mitzvahs and I'm going to take the Yetzer Hara around so you can see this is the way that I'm going to live my life. These are the things that I'm going to do. I'm not going to be drawn down and after his sneaky little plans that he tries to get me into. Says the Shem Mishmuel, you could live a life where you're fighting against the Yetzer Hara is in the negative or it's in the positive. And in the positive way that a person does it, it seems to be, as the Shem Mishmuel writes, the benefits are exponentially greater than any other way of service of Hashem. Wishing everybody a wonderful day, a positive day in the battles with the Yetzer Hara, so that we should come out on top in a fine, beautiful, happy, upbeat way. And that way we will show that Torah, mitzvahs, Yetzirah Tov, our neshama, all of the good things have the greatest koyach, the greatest power in this world. All the best.